What's up guys, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about oil catch cans for the C8 Corvette. And now it's one of those things that's been debated back and forth on whether you need one or not. And that's what we're gonna go over, because at one point I was leaning one direction and then another point I was kind of leaning another direction. So there are merits to both of them. And that's what we're gonna look at, because it really depends on what you're doing with your C8. So that being said, let's get started on that. So I have the UPR oil catch can that you can get for your C8, and it's been on the car even before the car had 500 miles on it. It was one of the first things I got for it. And I'll be very honest guys, I got this when I first got my C8 because I knew I was gonna have it for a while, and I wanted something that's gonna protect the engine from, like, as best as it can in regards to oil crud that would reduce the performance and the lifetime. That being said, I bought it without doing a lot of research at the initial time. And so one of the big things I didn't know at the time when I first got this car was that it has a dry sump lubrication system, which, what does that mean? Long story short, that means that it already has an oil catch can system built into the car. In fact, if you're wondering where it is, it's actually located on the front left side of your engine. So if you're looking directly from the back, and you're looking forward, that silvery part on your left side of your engine, that is part of the oil catch can system. So that's the main reason on the why you don't need one kind of deal. But hold on that. As an engineer, you can have, like, I firmly believe that you can have redundant systems, including things like an oil catch can. Will one oil catch can system work? Yes, especially if it's been designed with the car. That being said, two oil catch can systems can work better. You're putting less strain on one system than the other to get as much of the oil vapors out from the engine to help it work as best as it possibly could. Are you going to see a significant difference? Probably not, unless you get into very high mileage. And I'm talking, like, when I'm thinking high mileage, I'm thinking like 70,000, 80,000 miles before it makes any kind of significant difference. That being said, are you going to own your C8 for that amount of time? And that's where it comes down, what it comes down to. I plan on having this C8 for quite a while, until I trade it in for a higher level C8. That's what I'm gonna do with this car. It already has 30,000 miles on it. I plan on putting a lot more miles on it. If you're planning to have your C8 for, let's say, 20,000 miles or 30,000 miles before you trade it in for a newer C8 or some other vehicle, having an oil catch can system is not gonna make any difference. It won't do anything. Where it's gonna make a difference is where you have those owners that are gonna buy their C8 and they're gonna keep it and drive it to high miles. That's when it's gonna make a great difference in the overall performance of the car and the longevity of the engine itself. But I wanna know your thoughts on it. Do you have a catch can system on your C8? Are you thinking about getting one? Do you think it's useful to have or not? I'd love to know in the comments. So looking at my UPR catch can specifically, functionally wise, it's working pretty darn well. Like collecting oil vapors from the engine and depositing it into the reservoir that it has. Now the actual oil catch can itself is looking like a little bit faded, and it looks like it faded in the areas where you would see sun actually gathering on, like actually hitting the catch can. So on the top you see it that it is, on the top you see it that it's especially like a brownish, like a lighter than it's supposed to be the actual true black. And if you look at that further, like, and you look at like areas like here or the back end of it, you see that it's a much blacker black. So it's looking like it just has been fading from sunlight directly hitting the actual oil catch can. So again, it hasn't affected the performance of it. It's just the finish kind of looks a little bit worn. So we have the oil catch can out of the C8. So let's take a look at how much is actually in here after about 5,000 miles or so. So I would say that there's about 1/4 of a cup of oil that was in the actual catch can that we have installed, which is after 5,000 miles, which is kind of where I've been seeing that amount be over the last, over the longevity of my C8. So it is doing its job in regards to catching oil vapors that probably would be caught by the other built-in system already from GM, but this is probably helping that system by trying to get more of the actual oil vapors basically out of the system. So I do think that if you didn't have this system, the other built-in catch can system would just basically capture a majority of this. But I do think having both of them working together as a redundant system does make a difference that you can actually see, but you won't probably see that until you get much further along in the lifetime of your C8. Probably like 70, 80,000 miles is when you'll actually see a difference. If you're thinking that you're gonna only have your C8 for like 20, 30,000 miles, even 40,000 miles before trading it in for, like, let's say a new C8 or a new, like a Z06 or whatnot, it might not play as much of a factor that you think. So I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos like this one here for your C8 or car needs.